So Jill's been stalking the Florida Department of Transportation traffic cameras to figure out why we're stopped on the highway for an undetermined amount of time. What have you learned, Jill?
There's a major accident up ahead, about 5 miles, and then after that we only have like another 5 or 6 miles to go to get to our next turn off. So we're just waiting.
So here's what happened. A couple miles ahead of us, there was a car that rolled over, apparently from a blown tire. Had 6 or 7 people in it, and all were ejected. It was like an SUV. Everyone was ejected from the vehicle, including a 1-year-old baby, who they have not been able to find since it's been 3.5 hours they've been searching for this baby. We'll sit here with the top down and just continue to chillax and pray that they find that baby, and also that we can get on our way soon.
Last night, authorities recovered the body of a 1-year-old who was likely ejected from that pickup truck during a rollover crash. 6 others were also injured and recovering this morning.
So today is rollerblading and one-wheeling day. What do you think, Jill? First time on rollerblades in 100 years?
100 years, yep. Not bad. Not bad.
No crashes?
No crashes.
High five.
Woo.
Yay. South Beach, Miami, baby. And we pretty much have the place to ourselves, which is kind of nice. I mean, look around. Jill. So we've been in Miami for a few days. You loving life?
Yeah, really.
Would you come back here?
Yeah, I think
Look at you just chilling here on the balcony, like letting your hair blow straight up. And then this is our view. Super amazing view. What's the plan for tonight?
we're gonna go to the Lobster Shack. Get the car out and go to the Lobster Shack. Probably have
Taking
some,
the car out?
Yeah, we're taking the car out tonight. Yeah, getting a valet and.
Person doesn't have a clue. so this morning we are off to Key West. I don't know for what, just whatever the day brings.
Yeah, whatever the day may bring.
We have to go find the southernmost point in the United States. That's clearly at Key West. So that's goal number one. After that, whatever happens, happens. And then we'll make our way back to Miami later tonight. Convertible! Update, we are on the bridge where they filmed the awesome like Harrier scene in True Lies, so pretty cool there. Second thing is, like, what do we do if we get all the way down to Key West and it's just raining?
We just look around, we're on a reconnaissance mission. It's not showing raining in Key West. So.
Yeah, it's not raining in Key West, just this bridge on the way to Key West. Yay, no more rain. Wow. Key West. Whoop, whoop. Cabs are here.
Oh my gosh, the place we were gonna go eat is closed today.
What?
Now it says closed today.
Well, we're not eating there. First on the agenda, food.
Of course.
Food. I'm starved. Fine. Got a hammerhead shark. There's even a bigger one. Oh my gosh. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Sorry. Okay, need one of those.
That will go on.
We made the whole trip without rain, and now on our way back to the car, half a mile, it's raining.
Three hours later.
I gotta get to my hotel. How do I get there?
It says turn around.
They send me this way. How do I get to my hotel? Everybody keeps turning me around. I don't know what to do. All right, so that was a little bit of an adventure. I thought that we were pretty much done after our visit to Key West. We took our drive back to Miami, and that went uneventful. We stopped for dinner, and we were just about to get to our hotel. We had one more turn to make to get onto the street where our hotel is, and law enforcement is all over the place. They've got streets blocked. They're not letting us get to the street we need to go to. There is a 10 p.m. curfew in Miami Beach, so their goal, I guess, is to shut down all the streets and then just funnel people out. And that works great, except for if you're one of the people that need to get in, because that's where your hotel is. So that's the problem we ran into. So we came in on one side, got turned around. We went like 10 or 15 blocks all the way around the other side to come in that way, and we're told no, we couldn't go in that way. We had to go around, and basically we got stuck. We couldn't, they would not let us into the street even to just to get to our hotel. So we ended up like literally one hotel over from where we needed to be, and the police wouldn't let us in there because they were trying to move traffic. They had all the streets blocked off. So we spent about an hour trying to deal with that. After some of the traffic settled, I pleaded with one of the officers there and gave him the saddest puppy dog look I could muster, and he eventually finally let us sneak through and get to our hotel. So you know, whoever that is, the Miami Beach police officer that let us through, thank you. I'm sorry if you got into trouble, but you did the right thing. So we are now safe in our hotel room, and yeah, every day's an adventure.
I'm about to throw up. Oh, you bet the hell not.
Well, sadly, this wraps up the Miami Key West trip. I'm on the way right now to turn in the rental car. Jill is behind me to pick me up, and yeah, this is it. So awesome trip. Really enjoyed Miami Beach. Would love to go back and explore even more. There's so much to see. Not only the Miami Beach area, South Beach is where we were, but just Miami downtown in general. It's huge, amazing cityscape. Yeah, and Key West was different, chill. I think it's got more of a party vibe to it. There's a lot of bars and that sort of a thing, but it was a cool place nonetheless. So thanks for going on this adventure with us. Hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. And as usual, that's it for now. I'll catch you on the next one.